Jai Hind. Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Genuine Funda. Today, I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like as example of multiplying mixed non-terminating recurring decimals. Simplify 0.39285714 recurring decimal of 285714 into 0.1590 recurring decimal of 90 equal mixed recurring decimal 39285714, this number minus 39 normal decimal number 39 by 6 times 9 for recurring decimal 285714 beside 00 for normal decimal number 39 into mixed recurring decimal number 1590, this 1590 minus 15 for normal decimal number 15 by 99 for recurring decimal 90 beside 00 for normal decimal number 15 equal this number minus 39 equal 39285675 by 6 times 9 00 into 1575, that means 1590 minus 15 by 9900, 39285675 divisible by 11, that means 11 into 3571425 and 6 times 9 00 divisible by 3571425, that means 3571425 similar number into 28 into 1575 divisible by 7, that means 225 into 7, 9900 divisible by 225, that means 225 into 44, 3571425 cut by 3571425 cut and 225 cut 225 equal 11 by 28, this 28 into 7 by 44, this 7 by 44, 11 4s are 44, this 4 and 7 4s are 28, this 4 equal 1 by 16, 16 for 4 4s are 16. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.